to give you some
you're going to give me some
very
flowers.
nice flowers because if I give you fresh ones, you might start sneezing.
Yeah, so you gave me these old dead ones.
Yeah, because we don't want you to sneeze.
She's too much, this one.
Well, aren't they pretty?
No, they're not. They're dead.
Do you have your tissue? Where's your tissue?
I don't have my
Yes,
tissue.
you don't know.
I
She's
better
starting
not
to squeeze
start-
her nose.
I better not start sneezing.
She's squeezing her nose.
She gives me these hoping I'm going to sneeze.
Where's your tissue? Come on, where's that tissue?
I got to get one.